Starting off the video, we're gonna jump right into it. I'm bringing y'all with me in a day in the life. Actually, I shouldn't even call it a day in the life, but we're gonna go grab some steak. It is like 1 in the afternoon, but I just woke up, had a long night, so we're gonna go grab some steak from the grocery store, make some steak and eggs for breakfast, and then I guess we'll see where the day takes us. Steak secured. The bad boy. Steak has been secured. We're on our way home right now. Yes, sir. Steak is marinating. We got the eggs, cheese, and milk. We gotta stir that up, actually. Oh yeah, stir that up. Stir that up. Stir that up. Then make a coffee after. That's for that. Pan's on. It's time to chef. It's time to get the chefing going. We're gonna go check out the Meta sunglasses. So let's head up Eaton Center. We're gonna go see if we can get them, if they have it in stock. If I have to order it, I probably won't get them because like I just want them now, sort of thing. But if we can get our hands on it, I'm probably just gonna go ahead and pull the trigger, and then I'll be able to get some POVs. Yes, sir. Ladies and gentlemen, we just picked up the Ray-Ban Metas. These were the last pair on hand in store. The only other options was to order them. I didn't want to have to wait. I'm the type of guy where when I want something, I want it immediately. We went to the Ray-Ban store, we picked these up. They ran me about $419 Canadian. Filming with a GoPro is great. As you can see, I've got mine mounted here. But it just doesn't give you the same sort of angle that I would get if I had the glasses on, right? So hopefully these come clutch. But yeah, man. Tap in. Let's get it. Ray-Ban glasses. You already know the vibes. Catch y'all in a bit, boys.